Hey, what's up everyone? It's Chris here with Handheld Legend. Welcome back to another video. Today we want to follow up on our previous video where we highlighted a beginner-friendly LCD mod for the Game Boy Advance. That was the Funny Playing IPS V2. So now we want to follow up with another LCD mod that again has easy installation but also has a couple new added features to it. And that's the IPS V3 kit. You know, it's strange because this is our third video and we're doing a V3. V3. Hey Christian, it's like we're on V3.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah. Greenland isn't green. Oh, sorry. Well, we're going to be using the same tools that we used in our last video for this kit. If you haven't seen our last video, we'll have it linked down in our description. Alright, so the V3 kit that we're all here to see. It's actually a completely solderless mod also. Its unique features are already pre-soldered in the kit and offer additional brightness and color functions. It may sound a little bit complicated, but trust us, we're going to show you how easy this mod can be right now. First, we are going to get everything laid out neatly so it makes the process go a lot smoother. We already have our buttons and membranes in place, as well as a fresh lens installed because of our last video. Replacing your lens is a simple process and only involves peeling and sticking it if you'd like to proceed with that. The same thing applies to your button and membrane sets, as they can simply be put back right in their original positions. Next, we are going to take our adhesive, peel off the film and gently place it around the LCD screen. Be sure to try your best to get the correct alignment for best results. Then, carefully peel off the other side of your adhesive. Now, we're going to take our LCD, peel off the film, and place it onto our adhesive. Make sure the small ribbon tab is on the bottom right-hand corner so that the LCD is correctly placed, oriented, and centered. Then, take the smaller of the two acrylic spacers and place that small one on the left side of the LCD. Make sure it's secured into place inside the shell. Next, we're going to take the other acrylic spacer and place it just below the LCD on the adhesive. Now we are going to take our insulation film, peel it, and place it over the back of the LCD. So at this point in the process, we went ahead and took a pair of pliers and made some small cuts to the holes where the start and select membranes would be. All we did was cut the tip so it's more flush with the board and the screen. In this case, for the shell we were using in this video, we had to do this step. We found this way is the most optimal, but everyone's experiences and shells might vary. The key here is ensuring there is no strain or pulling on that small LCD ribbon tab. Next, we are going to place our board on the back of the LCD, and it's okay if you want to use either some extra adhesive or some Kapton tape to secure the board down. In this case, we cut a small square from the included adhesive from the kit. Alright, next we're going to take the two pre-soldered wires with the two square tabs on them, remove the adhesives from them, and place the top wire tab towards the top of the shell and the bottom wire towards the bottom half of the shell. These are the most ideal places to put these. After that, we're going to take our ribbon and insert the gold pin side down and into the board. The ribbon that you'll use depends on if your motherboard is the 32 pin or 40 pin model. You can easily determine the difference by measuring the included ribbons against your ribbon slot on your motherboard. Then we're going to take our board insulation film and place it over the board. As we're nearing toward the end, we're going to take our board and place the cartridge slot up and screw it in via the 3 screws highlighted on screen. One of the last things we're going to do is place the other side of the ribbon into the motherboard slot. and then lock the 2 tabs down. And now it's time to replace our shoulder and power switch buttons, rescrew the back of our shell, and we can power on again. All right, another mod completed. Hey, thanks for stopping by today. We hope this was a helpful video. We'll have all the parts and supplies we used in this video linked in our description. And if you have any other questions or need more assistance, check out our website. Remember, for all things modding, slow and steady wins the race. Christian, want to watch some Nickelodeon?
I guess.